Today, we're diving into the world of Warships, and if you've been experiencing lag, stutter, or just want to boost your FPS, Step 1. Adjust your in-game settings. Lowering graphics settings like texture quality and shadows can significantly improve performance. Step 2. Update your graphics drivers. Outdated drivers can be a major cause of performance issues. Make sure you're running the latest GPU drivers. Step 3. Check for background applications. Close unnecessary programs running in the background to free up system resources for World of Warships. Now, let's talk about fixing lag and stutter. If you're dealing with lag and stutter, consider these additional steps. Step 4. Install the game on an SSD. This can significantly reduce loading times and in-game stutter. Step 5. Lower the game resolution. Dropping the resolution can give your system some breathing room, especially if you're experiencing lag. And there you have it, Captains. With these tips, you should see an improvement in your World of Warships performance. If this guide helped you navigate through the seas of performance issues, give it a thumbs up. Share your thoughts or additional tips in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more gaming guides. Until next time, fair winds and following seas.